Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, we are going to be checking our activities, looking for a grade, checking for comments, and making sure each activity has an image attached to it. Let's get started. When you're done watching this video, you're going to go into Google Classroom, into the art room, and you'll see at the very top the words classwork. Click on this tab right here, and you're going to see this page pop up. There's activities, actividad, how to, como, and then there's extra art, arte extra. Extra art is for any student caught up on all of their activities and needing to do more art during class or wanting to do more art at home. How to or como has materials for us to be successful in Google Classroom, like the art expectations and a video explaining that are here. And then activities or actividades is a list of our activities. You should have 9 activities since it is going to be our 10th week of school. Our first week, we passed out our Chromebooks and our iPads, so you didn't have an activity that week. But you do have an activity for the other 9 weeks. I have all of the activities since I'm the art teacher. So down here, I have to click more, view more, and here's a list of all the different activities I've created for all the different grades. You are going to go through each activity and check for a picture. Look and see for a grade. If you want to redraw, you can raise your grade up by redrawing. And look for any comments that I might have left. You can start at the top of the list or you can start at the bottom of the list. That's your choice. You'll click on the banner, and down here, you're going to click on View Assignment or View Activity. You're going to be looking up here for a grade. This one says a 50 out of 100. The reason is it's missing its work. You can see that in the comment area right here. So this activity was to draw your favorite something, like your favorite thing that you like to draw. Some students drew me flowers, other students drew their family. I had a student draw me a rainbow. It was your choice what you wanted to draw, your favorite something that you like drawing. Then you would add an attachment here. Let's check the next activity. Here's Intro to Line. This activity was to draw flowers using lines. I can see the grade up here. It says it's 100 out of 100. Over here, I can see check it out. There's the comment left behind because I liked it a lot. I put check this out. And I can see the image attached up here. Awesome job. Let's check the next activity. Draw a long landscape. This was our first complex drawing that you had to follow instructions to complete. I got an 85 out of 100 though. And my comment was add color next time. So I was hoping that you would add more details in your picture at the end. After I told you what to draw, I was hoping that the student would draw and add more details on top of what I told them to do, making it their picture. That's why they didn't get a higher grade. All right, let's keep checking. Little cloud. This activity is dark gray. And look here, it says that it's missing. Did I do this activity? Maybe I need to click on this purple square and do the activity. Let's see. I didn't do the activity. All right, I gotta do the activity. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this was like first grade project. We'll put Garcia. Let's put class, just like all my other videos. All right, so I put that in. Color, what color are clouds? Clouds are white. Okay, turn that in. And I have the picture. Because I remember doing this activity I must have forgotten to click this button right here. If I don't click this button, it won't count, and I have to start over like I just did. So let's click that button. Okay, got that done. I can close that out, and now I just need to add a picture because I already did the drawing, and I have it. I have it here with me, or maybe you have it at home, or maybe you have it somewhere at school. But if you already did the drawing, you just need to take a picture of it and turn it in. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to look over here. See that little white, it's really like a little white circle right there with a light gray circle around it. That button right there is what you need to click. When you click on that button, you're going to see this menu pop up here. And in that white bar, you are going to search the word camera. So type in the letter C, and you'll probably see the camera icon pop up. You're going to click on that camera icon and take a picture. Okay. Once you're done taking a picture, we're going to upload it. Let me show you how to upload it. So I go over here, and I go to Add Attachment. And I'm going to add a file. Over here, I'm going to go to Upload. Okay, Upload. And then I'm going to click Browse. When I browse, I'm going to see a gray box appear. Mine's white because it's my computer. But on your Chromebook, you're going to see a gray box appear. And if you do not see your pictures, you're going to need to click Images. Mine says Pictures because it's my computer, but yours will say Images. So you're looking for like a little box with a picture. And you're going to see all the recent pictures you've taken. Okay? You're going to look for the time and date that you took that picture so you can add the right one. And I just took mine a little bit earlier. Let's let it load. All right, now that I have an image attached, I can go ahead and turn that in. That means let's go back. Here we go. That means down here on this activity, I really just need to add a picture. And I have a picture already that I took earlier. It's the second one. I'm going to go ahead and put that in before I forget. And let's turn that in. So I'm resubmitting that activity by adding that image. Okay. Go back. All right, so we have that done. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're on shading with lines. Let's see what we got here. Let's check it out. Ooh, a 95 out of 100. Next week, add the date too. I bet that's why I didn't get 100. I forgot to add the date. All right, let's go back. If I want to pull out that picture, add the date, and take another picture and turn it in for those extra 5 points, I could do that, or you can leave it alone if you want. It's up to you. 95 is pretty good. You could. What's this? This one's a 30. Why did I get a 30? I'm missing my work. No wonder. Teacher's not going to give me any more than like a 50 or a 30 if I'm missing the picture. Like, this is the whole grade, right? Well, most of it. All right. So I need to add the picture. And I have one. Browse. This one. You could tell I took all these pictures ahead of time, so I'd be ready. Circles and the spheres. Look, I can even click on the picture and double check, make sure it's right. Yeah, that's right. Here it is. That's right. Okay, cool. That's done. I can back out of that. Turn it in. Resubmit it. Get more points. Anytime that you finish early in class, I'm going to want you to check, make sure you have all your activities done, especially since each activity builds on each other. Ooh, 99 out of 100. That's good. Okay. Let's see what this one says. Name. 30 out of 100. Missing work. Let's add a picture. I have a picture. I think it was this one. There we go. Right. turn that back in. I'm going to get my grades. Now, I'm going to spend 2 full weeks grading everything in December. So if you don't have your grades right away, keep in mind there's like over 500 students, and each of them have 9 activities. Let's check this one. 105? How did I get 105? Oh, I was missing my work, and then I turned it in. I guess it was just really awesome. Let's see. Oh, that's why. Look, there's a big drawing here, and I did it like a second time again to make it like even more. Doing extra will definitely get you extra points. I mean, anything that you do extra. If drawing isn't your thing, if you want to do extra review and like reflection, that would work too. That would get you extra points. Let's check op art. 110? What? That was a good... Dun, dun, dun. How did I do that? What? That's awesome. Let's check it out. Let's see. Oh yeah, I did 1, 2, 3. I did a lot of extra drawing there. That's right. I did like a big kid version and a little kid version of this activity. I remember. That's awesome. Rock. Go pumpkin. We drew pumpkins. Oh, look, there it is. 100 out of 100. Yes, I had everything just right. Let's check it out. Name, title, date, reflection, drawing. Ooh. Maybe if I had my picture showing both of these, I would have gotten extra credit if I had shown off my other pumpkin drawing, because there's more in there. All right, I need to be sure to take a picture that showcases my work so I can get the most points possible. I guess that is important. All right, guys. Well, that was all of our activities. Oh no, globe. Let's check globe. Look at that. Awesome job. Extra drawing gets extra points. Let me look at that. Oh yeah, I got drawing. Oh yeah. Definitely 110. Yes. You just have to try. You get the points. So that's all of them. And then here is this week's activity where you see the video that you're watching right now, where you clicked on that. So definitely lots of, I mean, I have extra stuff from the teacher. You just have 9. You just have 1 a week. I have like 1, or I have more than 1 a week. So it starts to add up here. But that's all of it. Once you've checked all of these, you can go all the way down here and you can work on any of these things. There's also the library art choice board in the library section of Google Classroom. If you wanted to go do any of those art activities on there, you could do that as well. Oh my goodness, guys. We went over so much information. So our cue was, we will go through Google Classroom and check our activities. I will check each activity for the grade, any comments, and an image. Our do was all that information I just went over. Going through up here, checking all of these. And our review is going through and seeing all those things, checking and inputting the pictures that we're missing and making sure everything's ready for me to give you credit for all of your hard work. There's one more thing I want to go over before I let you guys go. Sometimes Google Classroom will not accept an image, and there is a way to make Google Classroom accept your image. You can do 2 different things. You can restart your device, restart Google Classroom, or the faster way, you can click up here to turn in your assignment, unturn in your assignment. And so returning in your assignment and unturning your assignment lets you resubmit more pictures and add more pictures. And that will get Google Classroom to accept your image. So if you're having issues with Google Classroom accepting your image when you're taking a picture of your work, And this started happening last week and the week before. We started having a few students happen, and I messaged those families. And then it was a lot more students it was happening to. So if any of you are experiencing that, the picture isn't uploading, it gives you like an error message at the bottom or something, try to submit your activity, mark it as turned in, and then unsubmit your activity. And it will let you attach that image, okay? Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Till next time, keep being creative.